Hello, I'm Nikunj Gupta, founder of White Stock IVF Goa. I have lived in Goa for over 15 years as a jeweler and entrepreneur. A few years ago, I witnessed firsthand the emotional and financial challenges faced by couples struggling with infertility through one of my sales staff. This experience led me to discuss the issue with my sister, a fertility expert with nearly 3 decades of experience in reproductive medicine. Recognizing the growing need for dedicated fertility care, we decided to establish White Stock IVF together. Our vision was simple: to create a center dedicated exclusively to fertility care, where every couple receives personalized treatment, complete transparency, and unwavering support throughout their journey.
Hello, I'm Dr. Gunjan Kakkar, founder MD of White Stock IVF Goa. I've been working in the field of reproductive medicines for over 25 years now. I'm a pioneer in low stimulation IVF protocols and natural cycle IVF, which require very little to no injections at all. I have helped bring thousands of IVF babies into the world and strive to make the dream of parenthood a beautiful reality every single day. At White Stock IVF, we provide personalized care to all our patients, which means we don't do the same thing for everyone. From the first phone call to after treatment, we learn about your health, your life, and what matters to you. Then we make a plan that fits you and your body, your schedule, and your choices. We offer support and counseling so that the treatment fits your life and not the other way around.
White Stock IVF is also Goa's only women-led fertility centers. We believe fertility care requires not only medical expertise, but also empathy, understanding, and a compassionate female perspective that helps patients feel comfortable and supported at every step.
We are an all-woman team because we feel women are more comfortable talking about their personal and emotional issues with women. This deeper insight helps us make better medical decisions. Many of these details can be harder to share in a mixed or a male-led team. Though skill comes from training and experience and not gender, we believe that our all-woman team adds a style of communication and support that patients prefer. We still use evidence-based medicine and high lab standards to get the best outcomes. I want every patient to be seen, heard, and to be safe. Seen because we know you as a person. Heard because we take your questions and fears seriously. Safe because we offer skilled care and honest information.
Hello, I'm Dr. Soumya Agrawal, Junior IVF Consultant with White Stock IVF, and here every single day for you. We are an all-women's team located in Donapal, Goa. When you come to us, we value your time, listen to you attentively, solve all your concerns, give our honest opinion, and be transparent about everything. Let me tell you what your first visit to White Stock actually looks like. We talk first. I ask you about your journey, how long you have been trying, what you have been through. I ask about your partner too because it's both of your journey. Basic assessments are done, not anything invasive, just ultrasound, semen analysis, and blood tests if required. You leave knowing more than when you walked in, with a plan, with clarity.
Hi, I'm Dr. Samiksha Varun Kursadkar, practicing ultrasound gynecologist, obstetrician and infertility specialist, and Dr. Samiksha's women care, Kuchonem, South Goa. Over the 5 years of my practice, I have noticed that a lot of people, a lot of couples have to travel all the way to bigger cities like Pune, Mumbai and Kolhapur to fulfill their dream of parenthood. Taking this into consideration, here I am with White Stock IVF, getting all the facilities right here at their doorstep, trying to complete families without having the need for the couple to leave their comfort zone. Personalized care, transparency, honest answers, and all-women team is something that we abide to. At Dr. Samiksha's Women Care and White Stock IVF, patients are our priority and we choose the best for them.
Hi, I'm Vani, the in-house embryologist at White Stock IVF Goa. When you begin your IVF journey, there is a part of the process you cannot see, the life that starts growing inside our lab. My role is to care for that life every step of the way. From egg collection and fertilization to embryo development, monitoring, freezing, and transfer, I am personally involved throughout the entire journey. Every embryo entrusted to us is carefully observed, nurtured, and protected with the highest standards of care. Unlike many centers where embryology services are usually outsourced, I am based here at Whitestock IVF. I don't leave. I am present and responsible for your embryos from the very beginning until the moment they are ready to return to you. Behind every embryo is a dream, a hope, and the beginning of a family. That responsibility is something I carry with me every single day. As an embryologist, I work with science. As a person, I never forget the emotions and the trust that come with it. Your embryos are cared for with precision, dedication, and compassion. Your embryos are safe here, that is my promise.
A lot of people think IVF is only for couples who have tried for years and failed, but that's not the whole picture. If you're trying to conceive for more than 12 months, and if you're over 35 years of age and have been trying for 6 months, IVF is for you. If you have been diagnosed with PMOS, endometriosis, fibroids in uterus, or any menstrual irregularities, or even tubal block, IVF is for you. If you're over 35 and are thinking about having children in the next few years, come now and not later. If you're a single woman and you want a baby, you can come to us for treatment. You simply have questions and don't know where to start. Come in, this is exactly what we are here for.
I also want patients to feel empowered to make choices that match their life and values. At Whitestock IVF, we welcome questions and want you to feel sure about your choice. You are not alone. We will walk beside you with skilled care, kindness, and honesty. Your story matters to us, and we will tailor care to your needs at every step. At Whitestock IVF, being an all-woman team changes how we see and support patients through the IVF journey.